Hello guys and welcome back to AutoCraze. So right now I am at the Eva Customs here to upgrade the head unit of the Toyota Innova Type 4. So the Innova already has a double-in aftermarket Pioneer system, but now I'm here to upgrade it to an even better one, which is the AVH-5290BT. Not only that, I'm also upgrading the camera, which is 5 megapixel max length Sony sensor camera. Now this particular Pioneer double-in system, which is the AVH-5290, has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and as well as the most awaited feature, the YouTube, which is in the form of web link. Once you connect your mobile to the double-in Pioneer system, you can access YouTube, which was the most wanted feature by most of the Indian consumers. So let's go ahead and install this particular head unit in the vehicle. So guys, before starting, let me tell you a bit about Eva Customs. Eva Customs is an aftermarket accessory shop located in Bangalore. A detailed address will be given down in the description. Eva Customs specializes themselves in aftermarket projector headlamps and fog lamps and headlight upgrades. They're also specialized in audio upgrades for all kinds of cars, even the high-end expensive German cars, because they know the in and out of wiring of almost all the cars, so you don't need to worry once you hand over your car to them regarding any wire cutting. A detailed description is given down in their website. The link for the website will be given down in the description box of this particular video. So without any further delay, let's dive into the content. So guys, this is the previously installed Pioneer double-in system. It's a Pioneer AVH-5290BT and it has basic features such as disc, radio, Bluetooth and rear view camera. So guys, the process has begun. The person has removed the passenger side A-pillar in order to access the previously installed microphone which was attached to the old Pioneer double-in system. So the new microphone is going to be replacing the old one so that it has a better quality, and the old microphone does not suit with the new model. That's another reason. So let the person do his work and I'll give you guys a proper review once the installation is done. So then they moved on by removing the center console and taking out the old Pioneer system and replacing it with the new one. They removed out the sockets and did necessary wire cuttings which were completely safe and neat. The clamps were taken out from the old system and reinstalled in the new system, as I did not have to spend extra cash for the clamps as both the systems were on the same size. I did not want to bore you guys with the complete process of wire cutting reinstallation, as I wanted to make this video completely interesting and informative. Once the new system was installed in the dash, the test run was done and few audio settings had to be done. Up next, they moved to the rear of the vehicle in order to replace the reverse camera or the rear camera. The old camera was extremely worn out, and whenever I slotted the gear to reverse, the image was extremely blurred, so I decided to go with the MaxLink Sony censored HD night vision camera, which had better quality, better guidelines, and a good night vision. So the person removed the old one and installed it with the MaxLink camera. This was just a plug and play system, as the wiring was done beforehand. Once all this process is done, the owner himself comes and gives a complete test run to the head unit. He checks the touch sensitivity, he checks the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and WebLink, and he as well checks for any manufacturing defaults. Luckily mine had none. He then asks the customer's audio preferences and sets the audio preferences according to it. He then test runs the audio and the video output with his specialized clips which he has in his pen drive to get the optimum output from the Pioneer head unit. Once all this is done, then he hands over the key to us for a happy audio experience. So guys, that's all for this video. A next complete detailed walkthrough of each and every feature of this particular system will be updated very soon on my channel. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, please consider that subscribe button. And if you like this video, please do even consider that like button. And if you have any queries or suggestions, just comment down the comment section. And now I know